This window wasn't staying open without a stick to wedge it. So if you're having that trouble too, I'll show you how I fixed it. Starting backwards with how to take the sliding portion out for cleaning, which probably caused this problem in the first place. The first thing you'll want to do is remove any spacers at the top and the framework from both sides, because you will have to raise the window above that point. Next, you're going to pull out these little triangular clips from the jamb so that they stick out like this. And this is because this is going to catch a mechanism inside of the window when you raise it. You can sort of see when it catches because the window glide slows down and then you have to kind of force it up a little higher. If you look under the sliding glass portion, you'll see that now the mechanism is sticking out of the bottom. That's because that catch stopped it from going up any higher with the window. I'm not going to pretend this came out smooth as butter because the truth is I had to wiggle and jiggle a little bit to get the window to finally release. So don't give up if it doesn't work out right away. One thing I think I found was that one of the little clips in this window jamb returned to its position, and so maybe that was keeping it from coming all the way out initially. I'm not sure, but I kept working with it and it finally came out after a couple more tries. The sliding portion came out first on the left side, and if you look in the jamb, you can see the mechanism that was hidden inside when it's working properly. But if you're not able to get those mechanisms back in the window jamb properly, then your window will not stay up by itself anymore. And that is what happened in this case. And there's a closer look at the mechanism. You can see there's a spring and this little hook, which hooks into this part of the window jamb here. So now I'm going to show you how to put it back in properly so that your window will stay up. And so you see this little hook there. You just place the hook into the hole that it's intended for. And at the very top, slide it down under the clip that you pulled out until it tucks underneath. And you'll notice a little tension when you pull down on it because there is a spring inside. And so this is what it should look like, and that mechanism should stay in there independently and be repeated on the other side as well. Once you have them in place, grab the sliding portion of the window, angle in one side first, then the other, all the way at the top, and then pull the window down, and the mechanism should stay in the sliding portion. Tuck the clips in on both sides so that those won't release the next time you lift the window up. Place the white spacers back in place, and that's it. All done, and it should work properly and stay up when you put it up. And that's a wrap. I hope this helped you. If so, please like and subscribe and have a blessed day.